Dropshipping is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products online without having to hold inventory. This makes dropshipping a great option for those who want to start an online store without a lot of upfront costs. To make money with dropshipping, the first step is to choose a niche or product category. This can be anything from home goods to clothing to electronics. It's important to do some research and choose a niche that has demand and isn't oversaturated. Next, find a supplier that can fulfill your orders. There are many websites that offer dropshipping services, such as AliExpress and Oberlo. These suppliers will handle the shipping and logistics for you. Once you've chosen a niche and found a supplier, it's time to build your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your store and add your products. It's important to create an attractive and user-friendly website that will encourage customers to make purchases. To drive traffic to your store, you'll need to invest in marketing. This can include social media ads, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. You'll also want to create content that will attract customers, such as blog posts or product reviews. As orders come in, your supplier will handle the shipping and logistics, and you'll receive the profit margin between the cost of the product and the price you sold it for. In conclusion, dropshipping can be a great way to make money online with minimal upfront costs. By choosing a niche, finding a supplier, building an online store, and investing in marketing, you can start generating income from your dropshipping business.